JNN Reviews here, and let me tell you why this free sample by MUZAP is so helpful that I just can't imagine driving and going into my house little corners without this vacuum anymore. So this is a hand vacuum. As you can see, it's pretty small, and you need to charge it before you use it. This is the charger, and it also comes with this part that is the vacuum holder. The vacuum holder that you can use, very useful. So all you have to do is turn it on here, and then it has this suction and this other one. So this is great for the car. Another thing that I like about it is that you can open it and then remove the filter, clean it with soap and water, let it dry, but just don't put it in the sun. Besides that, it's very easy to put together. It's very easy to use. It's very helpful. I enjoy it and I like it. I like it to use it in the car or after my toddler makes a mess. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, and thank you for watching.